Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to fix the problem of can't save file as different types of file format in Photoshop. Quite a lot number of people are facing this particular challenges right here, and in this video I'm going to unveil to you the simple trick you need to fix the problem of save file in different file format in Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, as you can see right here, this particular file here is PSD file. So you can see all files presented right here in the layers. So in some cases, you may decide to save this file as JPEG, PNG, PDF, or whatever type format you want. And sometimes when you come to file right here from the top, so when you come to file and then you try to save, and when you come to file and you try to save, then you mistakenly choose something like this. If you choose save as, so it's going to give you a little options of file type that you can save this particular PSD file right here. So you can see it pump up right here. Then for you to save as type, and you click on here, you're trying to save as PNG or JPEG or any other file format. You can see this one has a very limit. This is because some of new version of Photoshop are being changed in different ways. Now here, sometimes you have access to some few limits of save file type as. And in this tutorial, maybe you want to save as PNG or JPEG or any other file format like SVG or HTML, as the case may be. So how do you fix this particular problem and then save your Photoshop file as many as possible type file you want? So let's find out. So I'm going to go ahead and simply cancel this. And then the right option you need to choose is to go back to file right here. And then go ahead and click on save a copy. So click on save a copy, and it's going to pump up a window whereby you will need to choose different type of save file. So right here, as you can see, this is pump up right here. Now, what you want to do right there is to go ahead and make sure you click on save as type right here, and you see a lot of different file type right here that you can save your PSD file as many as possible. Just like what you see right here, we have PSD, large document, DMP, BPM, we have Photoshop, DCS, we have GIF, IFF format, JPEG, etc. So you can choose any of the formats right here and save your PSD file. It's that simple. So this is how to fix this particular problem of can't find out how to save your Photoshop in different file type formats of your choice. For more tutorial about tips and tricks on how to use your PSD, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.